Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear students exploring skilled trades careers, tuning in. Skilled trades keep everyday systems, machines, vehicles, and buildings working, and each career demands different practical skills. Let's explore the Skilled Trades Careers Skill Gap Analyzer from Youthbuddy. The analyzer covers 22 careers, including electrician, plumber, welder, automobile mechanic, electric vehicle technician, and many more. Simply select your preferred career, and the analyzer instantly shows the top 5 skills to focus on first. For example, electricians learn electrical wiring while safely installing switches, sockets, panels, and other electrical equipment. Circuit testing, electrical safety, blueprint reading, and fault diagnosis help them understand circuits, identify problems, and complete suitable repairs. Moving into plumbing, plumbers install water supply, drainage, sewage, and gas pipes according to different plumbing requirements. Leak detection, fixture installation, drainage knowledge, and plumbing repairs help them locate faults, fit equipment, and restore damaged systems. For woodworking careers, carpenters shape and join wood while creating furniture and completing construction-related work. Measurement and marking, furniture making, tool operation, and drawing interpretation help them work accurately, safely, and according to project dimensions. In metalworking, welders use different welding techniques while preparing metal surfaces, joints, and components for accurate fabrication. Blueprint reading, weld inspection, and safety procedures help them understand specifications, check weld quality, and reduce workplace risks. On the automotive side, automobile mechanics diagnose engine problems while servicing brakes, suspension, electrical systems, and other vehicle components. Routine maintenance and diagnostic tools help them complete scheduled servicing, identify electronic faults, and keep vehicles operating properly. For electric vehicle careers, electric vehicle technicians work with battery packs, battery management systems, motors, controllers, and charging systems. High voltage safety, charging system repair, and EV diagnostic tools help them identify faults and work safely around electric vehicle components. Turning to cooling systems, air conditioning technicians install different air conditioning systems and diagnose airflow, refrigerant, compressor, and electrical problems. Refrigerant charging, electrical troubleshooting, and AC servicing help them test components, maintain cooling performance, and complete routine service work. These are only a few examples. Explore all 22 skilled trades careers on the Youthbuddy website for more career options. Every career also includes other important skills like tool handling, troubleshooting, safety, measurement, customer service, quality control, maintenance, and many more. Instead of trying to learn every trade skill at once, this analyzer helps you focus on what your chosen career actually requires. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.